Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Yes, today let us learn about a poem, Kind Hearts. Kind Hearts means, what is the meaning of kind? Kind meaning is mercy and courtesy. Who will be having mercy and courtesy? They will be having a kind hearted to help the people, to love the people, to be happy with the people. Now you can see the picture here. Who is there in this picture, children? You can see Mother Teresa along with the children, small children. She loves very much. I will tell about Mother Teresa a few lines. Yes, Mother Teresa was a great woman and famous as one woman, one mission is. One woman as one mission. Mother Teresa, she has sacrificed to serve the people, poor people who are needy. She has sacrificed her life in young age only. And she who has taken the big step to change the world. She has taken the step to change the world. She was born on August 26 in 1910. Yes, she was born on August 26, 1910. Mother Teresa engaged her life is serving the poor and needy. Now, Mother Teresa, she was serving the poor and needy. She was very kind-hearted. She has sacrificed her life. She has sacrificed her life means she did not get married. She did not have any relation with her relatives. She has just came to our country, Kolkata, and she was serving the poor who are needy. Yes, now let us read the poem. Kind hearts are the gardens. Kind hearts. I told you, kind hearts the garden. Kind hearts are the gardens means. Now you can see the garden here. You can see the garden here. In garden, what types of things you can see there? You can see the seesaw. You can see the plants. You can see different types of flowers. Here you can see the flowers, different types of flowers in the garden. Yes, by seeing that flowers we feel very happy. Yes or no, children? Yes, we should not destroy the plants, or we should not pluck the flowers which will be looking very beautiful. Now you will go to the garden, and you will go to the garden and play in the garden. What are you see in the garden there? You can see the seesaw, you can play with the ball, you can see the grass there, plants, flowers, trees, playthings, fountain, water fountains you can see there. Yes, you can see all types of plants there, flowers there. All kind hearts are the gardens. Kind thoughts are the roots. See, root. What is the meaning of root? Root means, children, if we put the seed in the field, first the root comes first here. Afterwards you get the plant, small plant. Afterwards fruits, flowers, fruits, and the plant become big. It becomes tree. So, we also, the thoughts of our heart should be with kind roots. Whenever we be having mercy and courtesy, our hearts be very happy. We can lead our life very happily. We can make others happy. All kind's words are the flowers. See, kind words are the flowers. Kind words are the flowers. How the flowers are? Look here, so bright, so charming it is. You can see the flowers here. See, our heart also, we have to be like this only. We have to be like flowers. The poem is telling here, kind words are the flowers. Kind words are the flowers means you can be very kind to talk to others, to solve all the problems, and to be very happy. You have to need a kind, like the flowers. You can see the flowers, so charming it is. You can see this flower, you feel very happy. Yes or no, children? So bright they are. Yes, our heart also, our words also, we have to talk very happily, patiently. Don't harm anybody. We should not harm with others, talking rashly, rudely. We should talk kind words. We should talk good words. We should talk positive words. Yes, we should not always hurt anybody. We should not talk harsh. We should not talk very rude with others. We should talk kind words, are like the flowers. Kind deeds are the fruits. Kind deeds. Deeds means you all know what is the meaning of deed. Deeds means whatever the tree is going to give, if we keep a good thought and good words, we will be always success. And here kind deeds are the fruits. See, whatever we struggle, whatever we face in our life, we have to face. Whatever it comes, we have to face very happily. We should not be very sad. We should be very happy. When we see, if any problems come to us, we have to solve with kind heart only. Kind deeds are the fruits. Kind deeds means, are the fruits means, see, when you put the good seed, the good fruit you will get from the plant, tree. If you put the rotten seed, you don't get good fruit. Yes or no, children? Yes. So, yes, kind deeds are the fruits. Take care of your garden. We have to take care of our garden. Putting water, yes, putting water every day. Seeing about that, seeing the garden which is not grown, we have to put some medicine for that. We have to take garden very carefully. And you come to here and second stanza, and keep our weeds. Weeds means you have to remove the plant, that unwanted plants. Weeds are unwanted plants. See, in garden, if you put all garden, no, all plants won't come. Few plants will die. Yes or no? Yes. If it is not growing, it's not coming a flower, or it's not coming a seed, what you do? It's not giving a fruit. Yes, sorry children, it's not giving a fruit. We have to pluck that and throw it, because it should not destroy one more plant. Yes. And keep out the weed, fill with the sunshine. Fill it with sunshine means you have, see now children, if you put in the garden the trees we should not be in this one or shade. They need sunshine also. They need sunshine, they need water, they need their whatever the medicine they have put, they need everything they need. Afterwards the plant will grow very good. Yes, kind words and kind deeds. Kind words and kind deeds means, kind words, whatever you speak kind to others, you be happy with others. Yes, and kind deeds. When you do good things, the fruit will come, the good fruit will come for us. The words they speak also very good. Yes, children, hope you all understood this story. We all should be like Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is having a very kind hearted, so that she is in young age only she is serving the people who are poor and needy. We people also should help others who are in need, who are in poor. Yes, children. Hope you all understood. Thank you, children.